Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in brilliant black, looks great. You got the chrome accenting up front there with your halogen headlights and your fog lights. You got the chrome bumper, and you also have your tow hooks just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look great. Heated exterior tow mirrors right there with the turning signal. So all you gotta do is push up on them and they will fold up for you, giving you even more room to see. You do have a 5-foot box back here as well. You got that Ram badging as well as the 4x4. You can open this guy up. It does have the spray and box liner, so nothing to be getting scratched up, and there is lots and lots of room back here. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got your handle, another handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very comfortable. You do have the controls over the seats for the tilt right there. And then over here, we do have the controls over the lights for the auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams all right there. Fog lights here, and our in-cabin light control. And then up here, we do have the control over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We do need to fill up our gas a little bit, but that's okay. Now we can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow, messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off as well. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. You also have your gear shift right here, just like that. And in the center we do have our touchscreen displays. We have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as our media tab right here if we have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. We also have our phone options right here if we have one hooked up through Bluetooth, the compass, settings, and more. You get the volume up and down right here. You also have your mute, screen off, back button, and tuner and browser. Control over your 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low right over here. And then we got our climate control, so we have the power up and down, circulation, temperature control. You have your hazard lights, and then you also have where it's going to blow up with your defrosts. You got your trailer brake here, traction control, and tow and haul mode. And then right in the center you got your armrest, doubles as a storage container, so you got 3 cup holders, and you do got this guy, some coin holders in here, and a USB and aux cord plug-in. Lift this guy up, another seat underneath there, so it seats 6 people all together. And then you got the top and bottom layers for your glove boxes there, as well as you do have your lights just up here. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here as well. Very, very spacious. The crew cab is very nice. You do have the 3 seats. You can lift this guy up, and you do have some storage just underneath there, as well as you have your cup holders and some storage under here. There's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.